Let us come to a new topic now. We want to look at the Rankx function for two things. One is to compare subcategories from a slicer, and the other is to create a top n filter. That means if we only want to see, let's say, the top 3 or the top 5 values, we will be able to do that. I want to do this on Power BI, but like I said, I'm just mixing it up. You can do it on either platform. We will keep our category and our subcategory and also our total sales value. Okay, now what we want to do is to show the rank, which means that we want the largest number. Okay, just listen carefully. The largest number to be 1 and the smallest number to be the largest number, as in if there are 17 subcategories, then the largest will be 1 and the smallest will be 17, since there are 17 subcategories. So this is what we want to do. We will create a new measure and we will say, this is my rank. And rank X, which says that it will return the rank of an expression evaluated in the current context in the list of values for the expression evaluated for each row of the specified table. So that is simple enough. What are we taking right now? We want to take something as the table, which means I want to take all of the subcategories. And then what is the expression? Obviously, my expression will be my total sales amount, which is on the basis of which we want to rank it. The value and the order I'm going to leave blank, and then I'm going to put, let's say, descending. Let's see the result now. So when I put the rank inside, you notice we get 111, 222 like this. So just try to understand what is happening. What it is doing is, it is telling you the number 1 rank for each of those categories. It will make more sense when I filter it like this. Please watch. So just give me a moment. All right. So I hope this makes more sense now. Furniture, 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 furniture. There are 4 subcategories within furniture. And now do you see the rank? 1, 2, 3, 4. Chairs are the largest at 328,000, 206,000, 114 and 91. Then we have office supplies. Now in office supplies, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Actually 9 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's where the ranks are from, all the way from 1 for storage to 9, which is for fasteners. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, which are the 4 subcategories in technology. Now, if I remove the category, then obviously we'll get ranks from 1 to 17 because there are 17 subcategories, right? So I hope that makes sense. There's a small problem here, and this stumps a lot of people. You notice that there is a number coming here at the end. And that is not really very good because it is just showing you that 2.29 million is the largest number. But why would you want to show that? It's a little misleading, isn't it? Now you can hide the total completely by fiddling around with the format. But you don't want to do that because you don't want to show this number 2.29 million. So what we will do here is we will just modify our rank measure, and we will say that if this entire rank function that I have written, okay, has to be applied, there has to be a condition, which means has one filter, which means It will check whether a condition is met and it will return true or false. So what do we want to check? We want to check our subcategory. So think of it this way. What are we checking? Our logical test is that if we only have our subcategory selected, then it should show me the rank. Otherwise, it should show me, we don't need to write it, it can just be a blank. And what will happen is, now that final result will go away because we are not choosing a subcategory. This is only the grand total. Like I said, you don't need to really understand this 100%. This is just a very specific use case of has one filter. But as you can see, this can be very important. And like I did earlier, we will put it back in our DAX formatter, which will hopefully clean it for us. And now you can see very nicely, it is giving you the measure like this. And I'm sure you will agree that it looks much cleaner than before. All right, but there's a bit of a problem. If I put two slicers, one for my category and one for my subcategory, let us see how they will work. So this is my category and the second one is my subcategory. Let's also put some borders and shadows so it looks a little more presentable. Wonderful. And here we want to remove the category. We just want to keep the subcategory. Now just look at how the results are changing. If I choose furniture, it shows me 1, 2, 3, 4. Office supplies is 1 all the way till 9 and technology is 1 all the way till 4. Fair enough. But there's a bit of a problem. For example, if I choose technology, it is showing me 4 ranks, 1, 2, 3 and 4, since there are 4 subcategories. But what if I only wanted to view 2 of them? Let's say accessories and phones. Now you notice that it is showing you the original rank, which is 1 and 3, because there are 2 missing subcategories. But we don't want that. What we want is that it should only show us 1 and 2 because we are only comparing 2 categories or rather 2 subcategories right now. And this is how we will do it. Please watch. We will create another measure. And this measure will be just a little bit different. So I'm going to write this as rank 2. And this would be the same thing as earlier. If has one filter, subcategory, I want to find my Rankx, but we will use all selected like this. The rest is going to be just like before, absolutely no difference. Let me also format it. Copy, come back, paste it, and let's see the result now. Now, right now you notice it is showing you the exact same result. Even if you select a category, it is showing you the same result. But watch this. If I'm only choosing, let's say 3 of these, do you see the difference now? 1, 2, and 3 are the ranks of storage, label, and fasteners from the selected subcategory. But what is 1, 8, and 9? That is from the original list of all the 9 subcategories that are there within category. What is the difference? In rank, we are using all, but in the second one, we are using all selected. Very tiny difference. Again, there is nothing right or wrong. Both of them have their own use cases, but it can be a very good way to see whether the rank is holding even if you are selecting specific subcategories. Like this gives me a very good idea that even though label seems to be the second largest selling subcategory, in the larger picture, it is actually the number 8 selling subcategory.